Good morning, boys. Today again we will do domain type number two. What is type number two? Type number two is something over quadratic. Last time we did something over linear. Today we are going to start second type of domain, that is something over quadratic. Let's start the questions. Question number one. Find the domain. Find the domain of fx equal 1 over x square minus 4. Same process we have to repeat. So first of all, write fx equal 1 over x square minus 4. Suppose x square minus 4 is not equal to 0. So x square is not equal to 4. Taking square root on both sides, so we will take square root on both sides, and you can see this square is cancelled by square root. So write x is not equal to square root of 4 is plus minus 2. So write plus minus 2. Now we have to write the domain. So domain equal real numbers minus plus minus 2 plus minus 2. So you should know how to write domain. So real numbers mean, again you have to write domain equal round bracket minus infinity to infinity. As this small bracket shows that minus infinity and infinity are not included, and in between all the numbers are part of your domain minus plus minus 2. Okay, boys? So I will do this portion here. Domain equal minus infinity to 2. Minus infinity to minus 2. Okay? Minus infinity to minus 2 union. Again write small bracket minus 2 to 2. Then again union, right, 2 to infinity. So these round bracket shows that minus infinity and minus 2 are not included. In the same way, minus 2 and plus 2 are not included. And in the same way, 2 and plus infinity are not included. The remaining numbers are part of your domain. Question number 2, very simple. Find the domain. Find the domain of fx equal 3x minus 8, dividing it by x square minus 9x plus 20. So you can see this is second type, something, whatever there is, and over quadratic, highest power is 2. So take fx equal 3x minus 8, dividing it by x square minus 9x plus 2. In every question, we will suppose this denominator, it should not be equal to 0. Is it clear, boys? So suppose x square minus 9x plus 20 is not equal to 0. Now what we have to do? This is a quadratic equation. You can solve this quadratic equation by three different methods, either by quadratic formula or by completing square or by factorization. So better if you factorize it. So this is 20. We have to make the factors of 20. When we multiply the factors, it should be 20, and when we add or subtract, it should be minus 9. So factors will be 5 for the 20. So simply write x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 20. It should not be equal to 0. So no need to explain how to write minus 5x and minus 4x. We did many times in grade 10. So boys, listen. So this is one factor pair, and this is the second pair. From first pair, you can see we can take x common. X minus 5 minus 4 common. X sign change for 5 are 20 is not equal to 0. So simply write x minus 5 into x minus 4 is not equal to 0. X minus 5 is not equal to 0, and x minus 4, it will also not equal to 0. So the value of x, so value of is x is not equal to plus 5. It becomes plus. Or x is not equal to plus 4. Yes, boys, if you feel any problem, then you have to comment me in the comment box. Okay, boys, now we have to write its answer in the next slide. So how to write domain? Domain equal real numbers minus 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So real number we can write in round bracket minus infinity to infinity, minus infinity to infinity, minus 4 and 5. So right here domain. Yes, again write domain. Domain equal minus infinity to 4. First of all, minus infinity to 4. So write minus infinity to 4, close the bracket, then write union, start from 4. It becomes 4 to 5, 4 to 5, bracket close, then write union, start bracket, 5 to infinity. 5 to infinity. Okay, boys. So, what is domain? So, the domain, it includes all the numbers between minus infinity and 4 union between 4 and 5 union 5 and infinity. Is it clear, boys? Very simple. So, question number 3. Question number 3. Find the domain. Find the domain of 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3, dividing it by x square plus 4. X square plus 4. So right here, fx. Just a minute, boys. Yes, fx. Domain of. Okay. So take, boys, fx equal 2x minus 3, dividing it by quadratic equation x square plus 4. In every question, we have to suppose this value, it should not be equal to 0. So simply write x square plus 4 is not equal to 0. So x square is not equal to minus 4. So we are dealing with real numbers. If we take its square, it becomes imaginary. So simply we have to write the domain of such a question like this. Domain equal real numbers. And how to write real numbers? Minus infinity to infinity. So all the numbers between minus infinity and plus infinity, those numbers are part of your domain. Yes, boys, is it clear? So one more question. Question number 4. Find the domain of fx equal 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5, dividing it by x square minus 8x, x square minus 8x plus 16. You can see something over quadratic. So boys, take fx equal 3x minus 5, dividing it by x square minus 8x plus 16. So this denominator, always remember, you have to write or suppose it should not be equal to 0. So boys, suppose x square minus 8x plus 16 is not equal to 0. And how to solve this question? Simple, the question of grade 10. How to factorize it? There are 3 different methods. First method is called factorization. Second method is called, we can also solve it by second method, that is quadratic formula. And the third one is completing square method. Simplest method is factorization. So we have to make the factors of this 16. So factors mean we have to multiply factors in such a way that its product, it should be 16, and when we add or subtract, it should be minus 8. So 16, factors of 16, 4 multiplied 4, 16. When we add 4 and 4, it becomes minus 8. So boys, x square minus 4x minus 4x plus 16 is not equal to 0. So first pair and this is your second pair. Taking x common, x minus 4, taking minus 4 common, x sign change for 4 the 16 not equal to 0. X minus 4 into x minus 4. Two same values, not 0. X minus 4 should not be equal to 0. In the same way, x minus 4, it should not be equal to 0. Or we can write x, it should not be equal to 4, or x, it should not be equal to 4. Now we will take only one value because these values are same. So write domain equal, yes boys, real numbers, minus, always write set, plus 4, only one value, and how to write real number. Yes, tell me. Yes, this is round bracket, minus infinity to plus infinity, bracket close, minus minus 4, minus 4 boys. No, we have to write domain equal minus infinity to 4 union 4 to plus infinity. Yes, tell me any problem boys. Got my point? So second question, last question, number 5. Question number 5. Find the domain of find the domain of fx equal 2x plus 16, 2x plus 16, dividing it by x square minus x minus 56. So simple question, simple solution. So take fx equal 2x plus 16, dividing it by x square minus x minus 56. Yes boys, tell me what we have to do. 100% right. So take this portion and suppose it should not be equal to 0 in every question of domain. So suppose x square minus x minus 56 is not equal to 0. Yes, again, we can either factorize to find the value of x, or we can solve this quadratic equation with the help of completing square method, or we can find the value, the solution of x with the help of quadratic formula. Simplest way is factorization or middle term break. We need minus 1. We have to factorize 56. So 7 8s are 56. Simplifies x square minus 8x plus 7x minus 56 is not equal to 0. You can see 8 multiplied 7, 56. Minus 8 plus 7, it becomes minus 1. This is minus 1x, or simply you can write x. So this is your first factor and this is second pair. Taking x from first pair, x common, x minus 8 plus 7 common, x minus 56. 7 outside, so 7 8s are 56. Is not equal to 0. So why is x minus 8 and x plus 7, this product is not equal to 0. X minus 8 is not equal to 0. In the same way, x plus 7 is not equal to 0. Or simply you can write x is not equal to plus 8 and x is not equal to minus 7. Now solution, domain. Domain equal to real number minus 7 and 8. Smaller value small. First of all, minus 7, then 8. So, how to write real numbers? Real number, round bracket, minus infinity to infinity, minus 7 to 8. Every step you can see, we did many times. Domain equal, this is the method, critical point. So boys, we have to write round brackets, minus infinity to minus 7, union starting from minus 7, minus 7 to 8, union 8 to infinity. So minus infinity and minus 7, these are not included, these are not the part of your solution, these are not the part of domain. In between minus infinity and minus 7, all points are domain points. Minus 7 is not included, 8 is not included. In between minus 7 and 8, all the points are domain points. In the same way, 8 is not included, infinity is not included. Between 8 and infinity, all points are domain points. Got my point, boys? So thank you very much. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will do the third type. Whatever the type, inshallah, tomorrow we will finish all the types and then we will come to solve the exercise. Take care, boys. Assalamu alaikum.